So we decided we're gonna go on a family hike today, minus our daughter who's still sleeping. So we're gonna go to a park not too far from the house. Got Penny here, she's all freaking out, she's excited. So we gotta put some fuel here in the Expedition battleship and hopefully go see some cool stuff today. Penny, you excited? Are you excited to go? Huh? You ready? What's that? What's that? Yeah, she's excited.
Chris, are you throwing rocks again?
Ooh, that's busted.
That's a mess. Well, if we could just drive down here, why are we walking? Grayson, come look at the water. You see the water down there?
I can only imagine a spider hiding under there. I think there's a spider in here. Oh, there are bugs there.
We'll film that just for mommy.
Film all those too. Look at those. Look at these. Look at those spiders. Okay, now let's go show mommy and Pooh.
So I'm on my way to go do another podcast interview, this time with Chef Jillian Love. Not sure how I found her. Friended her on Facebook probably about 4 years ago when I started exploring and looking into raw foods. 'Cause that's what she does. She specializes in raw food. So I'm super excited to get her on the podcast because this is first guest I'm going to have that's actually knows what they're talking about when it comes to preparing raw foods, the healing benefits of raw foods and stuff like that. So I'm pretty stoked. But so I'm on the way to her place. I'm a little early, so I stopped here at this beautiful area. We're here in the woods. I think we're up by like La Honda, which is just a little bit east of like Half Moon Bay, pretty close to the ocean. And so I just had to stop here, man. This is amazing. This is gorgeous. Redwood forest here. I don't know what it is, man. When I get next to trees, man, I just get all tingly inside, and yeah, I just had to stop, check it out, and I just love that smell. There's something about being in the woods that resonates with me. I don't know how I can't explain it. I don't know. So yeah, I just wanted to stop and let you know what I was up to. So hopefully this turns out into a good interview, and I think it will. Got some good questions for her, and hopefully you guys will get some good tips and advice, maybe some ideas on how to prepare raw foods and make some recipes and stuff like that, because that's, like I said before, not my skill set, not my pay grade. And you know, the show is called Raw Food Foot Soldier, so it's only appropriate that I have somebody who knows what they're doing with raw food. So I will check in with you guys in a bit.